Hi everybody, Judy here. Today we're talking about plums and their nutritional aspects and health benefits. Now, the information here is generalized between fresh plums and dried plums, aka prunes. So no matter which way you're going, they're going to have some good health benefits. We're going to cover that. Plums, no matter how you enjoy them, are a very good source of vitamin C. They're also a good source of vitamin K, copper, fiber, and potassium. And both plums and dried plums, prunes, contain a lot of unique phenolic antioxidants known as neochlorogenic and chlorogenic acid. I'll have those on the screen so you can see what they are. Plums, no matter which way you go, whether they're dried or fresh, do have those unique antioxidants in there, and scientists have studied them quite a bit and found that they're very effective at neutralizing a molecule called the superoxide anion radical. That particular free radical acts as a signaling molecule regulating biological processes that include apoptosis, which is our programmed cell death. You know, all of our cells have to turn over, which means they're going to die at a certain point, and we generate new ones in replacing them. And it also helps to regulate our aging and the process of deterioration with age. But when there's an overproduction of the superoxide anion radical, or we don't have enough antioxidants in the bloodstream, oxidative stress can develop, and that can damage important molecules and change their physiological function. So the effects of the changes can lead to development of several diseases, including cancer. So these particular antioxidants that are found in plums or dried plums, fresh or dried, are very important to help to regulate the aging process, actually, and the cell turnover that we've got. Those unique antioxidants also have been shown to help prevent oxygen-based damage to fats in the body. Now, we all have a certain amount of fat in the body. This is very important because cell membranes are largely made of fats, and we have insulation around organs made of fat, and this is very important to us. Other cells use fats for critical functions. Preventing free radical damage to fats is an enormous health benefit. So if you can include some plums in your diet now and then, whether they're fresh or dry, it would really do a body good in that respect. Also, since plums are a very good source of vitamin C, which is another very, very important antioxidant in the body, they are also very important in helping us to meet our vitamin C needs and allowing that vitamin C to do its job in antioxidants activity and also other things too, like the production and maintenance of collagen, bone, cartilage, blood. Vitamin C also supports the nervous system and the immune systems. It makes hormones and chemical messengers that we use in our brain and our nerves. So all factors combined, just with the antioxidants alone, plums are important foods for us to include whenever we can. Blood sugar regulation is also another important point regarding plums. Plums and prunes are high in soluble fiber, and that type of fiber helps to normalize our blood sugar levels. It slows the rate at which food leaves the stomach and delays our absorption of glucose after a meal, and that helps to keep our blood sugar levels stable. It helps to prevent or reduce the problems associated with type 2 diabetes. Since dried plums or prunes are concentrated in their nutritional aspects, they really promote a sense of satisfaction and fullness after a meal by slowing the rate at which food leaves the stomach. Because of this extended feeling of fullness, they can also help to keep us from overeating and help to control our weight. We know that plums and prunes are also high in fiber, like we've already mentioned about the soluble fiber. And we know that it can help to keep our blood sugar levels normal and also prevent and help to relieve constipation. The fiber that is most notably in the dried plums helps to contribute to the relief of constipation or the prevention of constipation. The soluble fiber that's in there is providing food for our gut bacteria. And now a lot of people will know that, oh, when I eat prunes I get a lot of gas. Why is that? We're feeding the gut microbes that are in our intestinal tract, and when they eat that, they produce a certain amount of gas, and that's of course what we relieve out of our bodies as a result of that. Also, the soluble fiber that is in dried plums in particular, but also in fresh plums, can help to reduce our cholesterol levels. It binds with bile in the digestive tract, pulling that out of the system with the feces, and that forces the liver to take some more of our existing cholesterol in our bloodstream and make more bile out of it, because bile is critical for proper digestion, so we have to have that. And when we pull it out of the body in with the feces, we have to have more, and the liver takes care of that by using some existing cholesterol to reduce our cholesterol and make more bile. All factors considered, plums and dried plums are really very, very helpful for us to eat. And you might not eat them every day, but eat them whenever you possibly can. Include a few in there, and it'll do a body good. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.